Good evening, everyone. This is Dr. Sukirti from India, Kolkata, proprietor of Shine 32 Dental Studio, working from more than a decade in dentistry. Now, many of our colleagues around the globe, my juniors, my seniors, do ask me that Sukirti, you have been using for around 5 years this RVG. Which RVG would you suggest me? And you have been using so many RVGs, so can you please suggest us which is the best RVG? Now, to be very frank, I have been using Vatek Easydent Eye Classic Sensor since past 5 years, and it's going to be 3 months less than 5 years. So, in the month of 31st, I guess on 31st of December, it will be complete 5 years of my Vatek practice. Okay, so I have used the sensor of other brands also, like Airstream, Neopix, and all that, Woodpecker. But trust me, their service, their product, the quality are not up to the mark. But if you say about Vatek, and if you ask me recently something which has happened to me, which made me believe on Vatek more than anything else, and other than that incident, Vatek always stood beside me in all my systemic glitches or any sort of problems. They used to attend it via online or offline, in clinic, anywhere, but they have given the attention to every grievance of mine in these 5 years. Okay, so I am still 3 more months to go for completion of my 5 years, and Vatek is comes in very affordable price, easy money installments, also EMI options and all that, and the quality is fantabulous. Now, recently what happened is, last week, I had a systemic glitch which was saying that my computer could not read the USB of my RVG port. So I was little bit tensed. So I asked them. So they were not in the service people were not the service people, and the other crew members of Vatek, the whole team, were not in this state because they had some annual conference in Jammu and Kashmir. But as soon as I called them for assistance and help, they attended it online via any desk, and online they tried to solve it, and they could find out that the USB could not be read. So they told that, if ma'am, you have another laptop, so you switch our USB port to that laptop and check whether the USB is working or not. So I had no other laptop at that very moment, and I said that no, I cannot do it. So they said that, okay ma'am, don't worry, we will be back in coming 2 days and we will help you out. So they directly came to the team, the very efficient team, and crew of Vatek had come to my clinic. They have checked for it. There was no physical damage in the sensor, and since it was 3 more months left for my 5 years warranty, they have completely changed my full sensor without any cost, with zero cost actually. So free of cost they have exchanged my sensor, CMOS sensor, and thus I could switch to a new sensor of Vatek. And thank you very much team Vatek. Thank you George sir, thank you Himanshu Shukla ji, thank you Anuj, thank you Praveen, thank you team Vatek, thank you everyone, and lots of love, and way more to go for Vatek, and I wish you all the success.